Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing the super benefits of a plant-based raw food diet, why I love it so much. It just tastes beautiful. It's yummy, crispy, crunch. It's just all the different texture. It's just so beautifully yummy. You must try it. No cooking, no waiting. Super simple dishes, and there are not many dishes at all, and it's good for the environment as well.
My kitchen used to be looking like this. Too much work, too much mess, too much stress. Now, these are all I have left. Easy life.
No cooking, save energy, save water. A raw food diet is low in calories, high in fiber, and based on the healthy whole plant food. So eating this way will lead to weight loss for sure. It is low in calories, sodium, fat, yet high in fiber and very nutritious. Because a raw food diet doesn't contain added sugar, trans fats, or saturated fats, you are also lowering the risk of the heart disease, diabetes, and other disease. People who eat a plant-based raw food tend to be healthier with strong immune systems, clean blood, strong white cells. As we all aware, we need a strong immune system now. It cleared my blood and systems. No wonder why my skin looks much better. This is a key to real anti-aging. I wake up feeling so good. I feel so fresh. Since I have started a plant-based raw food diet, I feel so good. It is a blessing. Energetic, not tired, sleepy after lunch at all. I stay focused, work efficiently, and be more productive. Out of all the benefits, it is the best thing for me, and I truly appreciate it. I feel happy but calm all the time, relaxed and smiles more. And there are more benefits, but these are the main benefits I found. And I truly hope you try the plant-based raw food diets. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you for watching. Be more beautiful, and I will see you soon. 감사합니다.